Welcome back to Weekly Wrap. I have with me my editorial team all geared up to take you through what's happening in the world of Web3. But let's start with the markets first. In a whirlwind year for the cryptocurrencies, 2024 has already proven to be historic as Bitcoin soared to the new heights, smashing through its previous all-time high and igniting a frenzy of investor activity. The launch of Bitcoin spot ETFs only added fuel to the fire, with massive capital inflows reported. Meanwhile, Ethereum, buoyed by the institution demand and anticipation of its own spot ETF, is hovering around the $4,000 mark. Meme coins also saw a resurgence. Riding on the back of Bitcoin's rally, my colleague Shubham Joshi joins in with more details on this. Shubham, over to you.
The crypto market witnessed a remarkable surge in 2024. Bitcoin, the leading cryptocurrency, set new all-time high, which reinforced investor confidence and encouraged newcomers to enter the markets. While Bitcoin gained 52% year-to-date and rose to 30% since March 2023 low. Well, let's understand what's driving the crypto markets. The launch of Bitcoin spot exchange-traded funds sparked a surge in investor interest and an increase in the inflows. Well, BlackRock iShares Bitcoin ETF attracted substantial investment with almost 183,000 Bitcoins under its stable and is within the striking distance of MicroStrategy's 193,000 Bitcoins. How interesting is that? Well, crypto exchanges are witnessing record-breaking trading volumes. Binance, Coinbase, volumes rose to astronomical levels. Well, surge in Binance trading volumes led a 50% increase in the native token BNB in the past 30 days. Well, meme coin mania is on the rise. Yes, right, Shiba Inu, DogeCoin, Dog with Fat, Floki Inu and other meme coin prices surged substantially. Well, Dogecoin's market cap surpassed $20 billion while Shiba Inu rose 130% in the last 7 days. Well, now let's get back to the Ethereum. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, surpassed $3,800 mark and is heading toward $4,000. Well, the upcoming Duncan upgrade and the likely approval of spot ETFs is aiding the price rise. Well, substantially, Ether added 142% on the year with market cap nearly $500 billion. To talk more on Ethereum's future prospect, we have with us Mr. Jeff Kendrick of Standard Chartered.
So it's very likely that the relative price, which is the ratio of the Ethereum price to the Bitcoin price, will continue to trade around this 5.5 or 6% mark. So if we get to 100,000 this year in Bitcoin, that would equate to about 6,000 in Ethereum. Next year it could be perhaps as high as 12,000 on the Ethereum side if my estimate on the Bitcoin side is accurate. Next year we'll also likely start to see some real-world use cases come through on the Ethereum side. For the first time, most trading that happens on the Ethereum network.
Well, as cryptocurrencies continue to break barriers, the NFT sector emerged as the standout, propelled by the mainstream adoption and cultural fascinations. Platforms like OpenSea and Rarible witnessed unprecedented growth, while tokens diversity, including the CryptoPunks and the NBA Top Shots, contributes to the soaring values. This week, Bitcoin Ordinals dominates the NFT transaction in sales. Ruchi Sharma shares her sector developments. Ruchi, over to you.
As cryptocurrencies reach new highs, the NFT sector is riding the wave of enthusiasm fueled by mainstream adoption, cultural significance, platform growth, and diverse token offerings. Increased awareness and acceptance of cryptocurrencies following market highs has spilled over into the NFT sector, driving mainstream adoption of digital assets. NFTs have become a cultural phenomenon, with digital artwork, collectibles, and virtual real estate attracting widespread attention and investment. NFT marketplaces like OpenSea and Rarible are experiencing exponential growth with record-breaking sales and transaction volumes. Overall, NFT transaction totaled a staggering $423 million in the past 7 days, marking an increase of over 35% compared to the preceding week. This is the third consecutive week of robust growth in the NFT market. NFT tokens associated with popular projects and creators such as CryptoPunks, Bored Ape Yacht Club, and NBA Top Shot are seeing significant value appreciation. Price of CryptoPunks fraction tokens is at $28.72, up 29.58% in the last 24 hours. Data from a Dune dashboard indicates a significant jump in ordinals trading volume. So far, the marketplace volumes have surpassed $2.5 billion with more than 2 million transactions. According to CryptoSlam.io, Bitcoin emerged as the dominant force in NFT transactions in the past 7 days, leading the charge with $168.57 million in sales, representing a remarkable surge of 80.45%. Our guest, Ms. Nadsha Bester, co-founder at Lumen, has highlighted various factors responsible for surge in Bitcoin NFT sales. Let's listen in.
Now, despite the broader NFT market downturn, Bitcoin ordinals are gaining interest, very possibly due to the direct relationship with Bitcoin's price increase. The appeal of Bitcoin ordinals, I think, lies in their novelty. They are a novel asset class, and the direct embedding of digital artifacts onto the Bitcoin blockchain, differentiating them from all other NFTs. Bitcoin's come a long way since its birth. There's also a lineup of new innovations in the BTC NFT space, like BRC20 tokens, Bitcoin stamps, atomicals, etc. And I think we can really expect to see more innovation coming in this year and beyond.
Well, from NFTs to the Metaverse, this week Metaverse tokens surge in tandem with the crypto markets, revealing insights into the 2024's digital landscape. As tokens integration takes center stage, native tokens on the Metaverse platforms like Decentraland and the Sandbox soared. With Mana and Sand gaining significantly, the sector got yet another boost after investment commitments from big tech players such as Meta and the Microsoft, a move that added the sector to scale unprecedented heights. Vishakha Thakur joins us with more details.
Metaverse is experiencing a dynamic evolution with crypto integration at the forefront. Notably, token integration has become a cornerstone, enhancing user experiences and enabling seamless virtual transactions. Well, not only that, non-fungible tokens too are revolutionizing digital ownership within the metaverse, with virtual land avatars and digital assets being tokenized and traded. For instance, esteemed Parisian fashion house Maison Margiela has announced its metaverse footprint with the launch of an exclusive NFT collection. Additionally, metaverse platforms like Decentraland and the Sandbox are gaining traction, with their native tokens seeing significant value appreciation. In the past 7 days, Mana and Sand have surged 15% and 20% respectively, and AXS gained over 12%. Apart from that, tech giants like Meta and Microsoft are heavily investing in metaverse. According to a recent blog post by Meta, its Reality Labs has passed $1 billion in revenue, and it will continue to invest in metaverse as well as AI. Overall, the integration of tokens within the metaverse, coupled with the expansion of NFTs and support from major tech players, has propelled the sector to new highs in 2024. Well, we have Dr. Akhil Damodaran, founder of Ethereum, joining us today, who will uncover the driving forces behind metaverse's exponential growth.
Now people are more and more exploring metaverse in terms of learning, entertainment, and every company wants to have a metaverse office. And because of which there is an immersive experience the user is coming out with, which is a huge drastic growth in terms of metaverse sector. Apart from that, you have companies like Microsoft coming up with Mesh. You have Epic Games, which is coming up with Fortnite. I mean, there are a lot going on, Vishakha, in terms of user adoption. And apart from that, I mean, cryptocurrency has shown a lot promise in terms of NFTs and trading inside the metaverse economy. And I think virtual currency is going to be a big game changer.
Now we dive from the metaverse world into the gaming world. The gaming token surge amidst crypto market peaks in 2024, fueled by the rise of Web3 games and the metaverse integration. This gaining momentum has fueled the emergence of partnerships such as the likes of Animoca Brands Japan and KDDI, which is aimed to boost the Web3 adoption. Shikha joins in with more details.
Alright, so professionals in the gaming industry are confident this year, foreseeing a significant increase in the release of Web3 games. The rise of Metaverse has propelled gaming tokens as virtual economies within gaming environments increasingly utilize cryptocurrencies for in-game transactions and rewards. $5 billion, the behemoth Animoca Brands Japan and telecommunications firm Kiddy are partnering to accelerate Web3 adoption through Animoca's Mocaverse and Alpha U platforms. Not only Metaverse, but we should also consider the NFTs that represent in-game assets such as characters, items, and skins, and they're also gaining traction, driving demand for associated gaming tokens. They are indeed becoming popular, attracting both gamers and investors. Tokens like AXS, ENJ, and SAND have seen significant growth and adoption, with their integration into gaming ecosystem driving their value appreciation. Crypto casino tokens SCORP has also risen, and the overall crypto gambling industry looks very promising. Our guest Mr. Rohas Nagpal joins us to tell us how the Web3 gambling industry is performing.
So I was actually talking about the gambling sector more than the gaming sector, because gambling finance seems to have picked up in a big way. And we must realize there are many countries in the world where gambling is legally permitted. So there it is not a crime. Whereas in places like India, that may be illegal. But yes, gambling I feel is picking up big time, gambling fi what we call.
Airdrop season is also in full swing, with apps, protocols, and other projects seizing upon signs of an impending bear market to finally drop the tokens. Portal, Notcoin, Saga Protocol, Nifty Island, Nyan Heroes, Aperion, Shuffle, AI Arena, Whoopee, Pixel, Heroes of Mavia, and Zai are all set for the token unlocks. Gamers, get down to business, because things are going to get bigger and better after this.
As blockchain innovations take center stage amidst the crypto market peaks, showcasing their versatility and impact across the various sectors. Projects like Polkadot and Avalanche tackle scalability challenge, while the second largest crypto-wide market cap, Ethereum's Duncan upgrade, promises enhanced throughput. Roshni Shingre brings you this report.
Blockchain technology is truly changing human life with its broad use cases. With rising adoption, the technology is continually reinventing itself for user benefit. Blockchain scalability feature is at the core of its growing adoption. Web3 projects such as Polkadot and Avalanche are gaining traction as they tackle up scalability challenges efficiently. A good example of this is the Ethereum's network constantly evolving to address emerging challenges and opportunities. The upcoming Duncan upgrade introduces proto-dank sharding, tackles Ethereum scalability issues by dividing the network into smaller shard chains, enabling simultaneous processes of transaction and increase the network's capacity. Efforts to enhance interoperability between different blockchains, exemplified by projects like Cosmos and Harmony, garnering attention for their potential to facilitate seamless cross-chain communications and asset transfer. BRICS member Russia recently announced creation of new blockchain-based payment system, positioning itself as an alternative option to the US dollar for trade settlements. The payment system aims to bolster trade with friendly nations, businesses, and even common citizens, potentially benefiting various hierarchies immensely if successful. Privacy is also a priority for blockchain platforms. Zcash and Monero are gaining popularity as individuals and institutions seek enhanced privacy and anonymity for their transactions. There are numerous advancements in blockchain technology, such as the recent partnership between the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, and the National Payments Corporation of India. This collaboration will focus on scalable blockchain platform and multi-model analytics over fintech data. For more on this, we have been joined by Mr. Anuj Garg to give his perspective on blockchain technology.
BRICS Pay, which is a global digital platforms between the BRICS countries. The advantage that India has, it is already pioneering in the digital currency space. We have systems like UPI. We already have the CBDC, which is already established.
True.
So we are way ahead to the other countries that are there in this ecosystem. And because BRICS countries do the business together, if we define a payment method on blockchain, which can give transparency, which basically allows you to develop your own ecosystem and have less dependency on US dollar.
Well, that's all there is in this special edition of Weekly Wrap. This is Manoj Dara signing off. But keep watching 3.0 TV for more such interesting analysis on the world of Web3. Thank you.